So now, what I want you all to do is just take a few seconds, say 15-20 सेकंड ले लीजिए, and think about your home. For anybody जो अपने घर में ही है, आप आसपास देख भी सकते हो, बट अपने घर के बारे में थोड़ा सोचिए. So just whatever comes to your mind. So for let's say next 10-15 seconds, let's just think about our homes. And also when you're drawing, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पूरा घर बनाना है. You can also draw certain corner that you like of your home. और अगर आपको कुछ घर में रखी कोई चीज याद आती है, कोई गमला, or just your even your cupboard or your table.
Basically, ma'am, what we are trying to do right now is thinking about geography and home. And think about, ma'am, like 10 objects which you can correlate with geography in your home, basically. Out of those 10 objects, think or choose like one object and how you can associate that object with a song. It can be any song. Yes, कि आप अपनी लिस्ट में से कोई ऑब्जेक्ट आपको कोई हैंडीक्राफ्ट या फोक आर्ट के बारे में अगर लाइक आप एसोसिएट कर पाते हैं, देन यू कैन पुट दैट ऑब्जेक्ट लाइक, और वो हैंडीक्राफ्ट या फोक आर्ट का नाम या कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हैं. कैन बी अ क्लॉथ, इट कैन बी लाइक अ साड़ी विच वाज गिवन टू यू, लाइक अ ट्रेडिशनल साड़ी, चेरिश, समथिंग लाइक दैट यू कैन राइट.
We've been engaging with private school spaces, government school and foundation run schools, where we are looking at art also connecting with other subjects and discipline. But more importantly, our aim is that art solves a bigger purpose, where it connects art in an intimate manner, where it's connected with life, our own experiences. And this helps us, what Narayan Murthy was exactly saying, in living a more aware life, in developing problem solving skills, in doing in a basic, in a nutshell, it connects you more with the life and your surroundings around you. And then coming to the program structure, Art First has a 2-part program. So one part deals with the curriculum, and the curriculum is in the form of grade books, and the other part is in the form of trainings, and the trainings happen both in the physical space and in the online space. And when we talk about trainings, they're not your regular, let's say, I wouldn't want to use, but monotonous trainings. They're very engaging, they're very interesting, and they're full of hands-on activities and discussions. And then in our program, we have like a 3-section program, which are right now independent of each other. One is a preschool program, the other one is a primary school program, and the last one being the middle school program. And each has their own curriculum and the grade books, corresponding grade books. And just to take you through, these are a few activities, like this one that you see on screen was conducted by a mentor in Coorg. And this was a foundation-based project where she had used the river flowing close by as the source of her artistic exploration. And this training happened in Bihar. One of our mentors, he's very good at material handling, as we were telling you, the different skill sets we bring in. So he was engaging with the locally available material that was there, and he was working with the teachers and creating the idea of their village and keeping that intact. And that is how the exploration unfolded, and they were writing about it, collecting materials from the surrounding and creating their village in the way they perceive it. This was a training conducted by me last year. So we were exploring costume, we were exploring history of art together, we were exploring different traditions like drag and connecting it to the modern side of something like a Met Gala that happens in US every year. These are, Shashi can play the video alongside. So this is somewhere where we were doing an integrated form in a school in Lonavala, where the children are actually tilling and plowing the field to understand crop cultivation and to understand how crop has artistic importance and how it is something that they have been exploring, because through this they've been interacting with geography, maths, English, they've been writing songs about it. So this is a very active process and it's a long-term project. This project is for 6 months, which will continue on after 6 months as well.